Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as the video title says, we're gonna go pick up a Range Rover today. Have the Escalade work truck here hooked up to the trailer already. So yesterday I decided that we needed to put new tires on the trailer, and that became an ordeal. Didn't have any of the existing tire size in stock anywhere in town, so we had to go with a little bit taller tire. And then of course the tire was scrubbing the inside of the fender well, so we decided to cut the fender wells off. We're going to make those removable. And of course last night we had a rainstorm. Not but a couple inches of rain, but it just rained for hours, so it took about 5 hours to cut those off. We'll still have to go back and do some cleanup and then repaint the trailer. We're going to do all that when we weld the brackets and everything on to make the fenders detachable. So we're going to head out, go to the insurance auction, pick up the truck, and then I'll give you an update once we get there. One other thing, we have some cool new t-shirts over on the website, DIYgarage.com. Go over there, pick you up one. It helps support the channel. I have the I avoid warranties with the wrench hand, all the boost with the turbo snail, and I am the warranty with the wrench hand. Alright, now back to the video. Yep, so we already got the Range Rover loaded up here. Went inside and paid, gave them the paperwork, and then we pulled around back, had the guy loaded up with the forklift. Didn't get any video footage of him loading it. I was just mainly concerned about trying to get it on the trailer undamaged. So everything here looks like it did in the auction pictures. So we're going to head back to the garage. Alright, so here it is. We just got back to the garage, got it unloaded. Overall looks pretty good. It's a little dirty, so we're going to go ahead and wash it up, and then we'll go around and look at everything that we found wrong with it. So overall it's in very good shape for the age. Just a little minor cosmetic things here and there, but we'll show you that, guys, in just a minute. Alright, so just finished washing it up. Overall the paint looks in excellent condition. Couple things, the driver's side corner light looks like it got hit and the cover broken off. Probably one of the mounts broke also, so we'll get a replacement for that. Driver's side looks pretty good. There's a couple light scuffs. See if I can get it on camera. That'll buff out. Couple little deep scratches closer to the rear tire on this side, and then also the tail light cover got hit on this side, so we'll get a new tail light for that. Up high everything looks good except for the plastic piece on the driver's side A-pillar, just that crack at the top, so we'll get a new one of those. The front end looks pretty good. Only bit of issues up here, some paint chipping. Other than that, looks pretty good. Coming down the passenger side, nothing really stands out. There's a little bit of something on the paint, but we'll see about buffing that off. Shouldn't be an issue. Everything looks good. Moving to the rear, Don't really see any problem areas back here other than the driver's side tail light. So next we're going to move to the engine bay and get that cleaned up. Alright, so one thing we noticed when we popped the hood, the bracket on the front grille holding it on has been cracked, so we'll see about either fixing that or ordering a new one. It's plastic, so we'll probably plaster weld it and then repaint it. Nothing in the engine bay looks bad, just the typical dirty. So we'll go ahead and get that cleaned up. We're going to spray it with some engine degreaser, let it soak, and then pressure wash it out. Should get most all of this out. All right, so while the engine bay is soaking in degreaser, moving to the interior. Door panels look good, just needs a little bit of cleanup. Some of this gray trim just has a little bit of wear on it, so we can take this, strip that off, repaint it to match. Also, that same gray is in the center console area around the shifter and cup holder, so we'll clean that up. Dash is in excellent condition, just needs to be wiped down and conditioned. The seats, they look pretty good, little signs of wear, but we can clean those up and then recondition them also, and should look really good. So that's it for the up front. All the electronics, AC, everything seems to work as it should. Carpet looks good, just needs to be vacuumed. Moving to the rear, same thing back here. This gray plastic has some scratches in the paint on it. Seats look good, don't appear to be damaged, just need to be cleaned and reconditioned. And then we'll move to the hatch area. So it looks about the same back here, just needs to be cleaned up. Everything looks as it should. Nothing damaged or out of place. So and then passenger side tells the same story. Same the coating on this, the silver coating must not be very durable for it to be off on, I think it's off on every door, yep, even the passenger front around its handle. So we'll refinish all those to match. Passenger seat leather looks good, just needs to be cleaned and conditioned. Same with the carpet. All the weather seals look good, they're nice and flush still. Electric folding mirrors work. So headliner looks pretty good, has a sunroof. Everything looks pretty good. So now we're going to move up to the engine bay and go ahead and get that cleaned up. Alright, so we got the engine cleaned up. Turned out really nice. Can't complain with that. And then that's going to do it for this episode. Next episode we're going to go to the interior and see about cleaning it up. And then also has a check engine light, so we're going to plug up our OBD2 scanner and scan it to see what's going on there. But then we're going to vacuum it out first thing and then start cleaning up in here. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the like button. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.